Do you want to know the best upgrades you can do for your Facebook live stream? What are the best upgrades you can do? You know, you've been taking live streaming seriously for a while. You know that you can get some results. So let's talk about some of the upgrades, the best upgrades that you can do for Facebook live stream. The first one, let's talk about a mic. These two here. Let's talk about this mic. This one right now, when we put it here. The Rode Wireless Go. There you go. See how it is? This is the best mic. I have several microphones. What I mean mics, I mean microphone. One is a transmitter, and the other one is a receiver. One is a transmitter, and the other one is a receiver. The other one that you can get if you do a lot of handheld, if you ask questions, it will be this adapter for the Rode. Basically, what you do is you attach it inside, but it's this for the microphone. For the live stream, a dedicated camera, not live streaming from your webcam, from an iPhone. Getting a dedicated camera is one of the best upgrades you can do to your Facebook live stream. If you have a dedicated camera, I will say get a cam link so you can hook up. You can upgrade your quality when you hook up through a HDMI cable versus a USB cable. Many cameras like this one or any other one, they have the capability of connecting and transmitting video through a USB. However, the quality of the video is much higher when you use an HDMI adapter like the cam link. This one is pretty good. Another thing that, talking about mics, you want to have the microphone as close as to you as possible. And if you're outside, if you're doing live streams outside, be mindful of your surroundings, of the cars driving by, what is in your background, people walking by, the wind noise. That is your brand. That's how you are representing yourself in front of others, and that's also how you're representing your company in front of others. Talking about branding is important. You don't have to overdo it. I don't have to start every live stream. Good afternoon, my name is Angel Anderson. I am the owner of Marketing Results. I'm a world-class, I don't have to start that, but you can have subtle branding. It could be a coffee mug, it could be a frame. Also, talking about frame, make sure that everything looks correct. So real quick, just to end, mics is one upgrade, one of the best upgrades that you can do. Two, and I skip over it, is doing a hardwire when you are live streaming, meaning no Wi-Fi. Number three, it will be using a dedicated camera. A dedicated camera for your streaming is better than an iPhone or a webcam. 4, audio. 5, branding. Upgrade live streams, especially on Facebook. We have come up with a framework, one that we utilize in every local businesses to start with, and some stick with this framework for months, sometimes years, which is basically we do a live stream once a week, about 20 to 30 minutes, and I help co-host that live stream. And what the purpose of that live stream is to provide value from the owners, the clients, the customer, the authority, the subject matter expert, the doctor, the lawyer, from their point of view. I just ask a few questions. I moderate the comments, and at the end of that live stream, we chop down a few pieces, few key questions, segments, and we reuse them in other platforms, in Instagram on YouTube, etc. And that we start posting, and that's how we generate fresh new content ideas for local businesses to drive traffic and grow sales. At the end of the day, that's what you want. If you're interested in something like that, send me a message. I will be more than happy to share the exact framework. But if you do have a marketing question, I'm interested to know what you would like to know about marketing. Leave me a comment. Let me know. See you on the next one. Peace out.